Why do we do landscape photography? I was thinking about this before I came out tonight, because we obviously all want to come away with brilliant images. But is the photography actually the main reason we come out? But for me, I think there is quite a bit more to it than that. Sometimes the biggest reason is just to get out of the house. It gives you a reason to pick up the camera and get your stuff and go somewhere. And even if I don't get a photograph, at least I've been out somewhere. Then there's just being out in nature. Sometimes you just get caught up in looking for compositions and the way that light's changing, and you just forget to actually look about. You could be standing beside the sea or up a hill or here, next to a waterfall. Sometimes just being here is enough. Photography almost becomes an excuse to come out. Photography has always taken me places that I probably wouldn't have visited before. Sometimes the places you think you aren't going to be the most interesting is when you come back with an image that you think is the best one that you've taken in a long time. I think this is probably quite a big one though. When you're out with the camera, you're looking right in front of you. You're looking at the light, compositions, and trying to see different things around you. At least for a couple of hours, everything can just disappear into the background. And I think that's why landscape photography can be quite therapeutic. It slows you down. You maybe don't come back with a great photograph, but you've had a worthwhile evening. Sometimes just getting out with the camera has done its job. And then there's something I really like about it the most, and that's preserving the moment. The photograph tonight isn't going to remind me of what it looked like. It might remind me of the weather, the midges, this bloody steep hill that I've got to climb up. Whether I fell. And then years later I can look back and remember it as an experience. So you're not really photographing the landscape, you're keeping a little record of it. Oh, Oh. Should I put a belt on? Well, this is dull. I expected to be as tall as what it was. So that's what I'm thinking about when I'm out tonight. Obviously I still want to come away with a photograph that I'm quite happy with. But maybe it's not actually the most important part of landscape photography. Maybe the photography is just an excuse to come out here. I'm waiting to see if the light comes. Quite like the wee view across there. As you can see, there's not much light in that direction, but if I spin you around, it's a lot better in that direction. So I'm going to see if I can use maybe some of the stones as foreground or a little bit of heather. So I'm interested to know, why do you do landscape photography? Is it about getting a photograph? Is it about being out? Is it exploring new places? Or is it switching off for a while? Or is it something completely different? Thanks for joining me in this week's video, and I'll hope to see you on another one soon. Bye for now.